Welcome to the recorded demo video for the Property Tax Management System for Back Office. This video will introduce you to the system's features and functionalities. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login button on the system interface to access admin functions. Select the property module from the options provided. User will then be redirected to the admin login page. Enter your email address, then click the Get OTP button to receive a one-time password. Enter the received OTP and click the Verify button to log in. Once you've logged in successfully, you will be redirected to the back office dashboard. The user can proceed further by selecting their preferred language Marathi, Hindi, or English for a personalized experience. Select the workflow from the dashboard. Then choose the SAF workflow option from the subsequent menu that appears. The list of assessment properties will appear. Navigate to the View option by selecting the application. Property details will be displayed, along with the option to edit the form. Step 1 requires the user to complete the remaining fields, including details gathered by the tax collector, such as date of purchase, ownership type, and category. Click the Save and Next button to save your progress and move on to the next step after completing Step 1. Proceeding to Step 2 will open a new page dedicated to entering property address and details, including survey number, plot number, village name, area of plot in square feet. In the basic address section, the city, district, and state fields will be pre-filled. Enter PIN code. Enter building name. Enter street name. Enter location. Enter landmark. Enter property address. After completing the second step, tick the checkbox if the corresponding address is the same as the property address. Then proceed by clicking on the Save and Next option. In the next step, the user has the option to fill in additional details. If there is no electric connection, they must upload Affidavit Form 1 by selecting the corresponding checkbox. Otherwise, they can proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. Step 4 requires the user to update the owner's information by clicking Edit and providing the following details: owner's name, in Marathi, gender, date of birth, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email ID. In case of armed force or specially abled, you will need to upload related documents. Click on Update Owner, then click on the Save and Next button to proceed to the next step. In this step, the user is required to click the Add Floor option and provide the following floor details: floor number, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, carpet area, number of rooms, number of toilet seats, from date, leave blank up to date for current date. After completing step, click on Add Floor, then click on the Save and Next button to proceed to the next step. This page allows the user to verify all the entered information and understand the tax calculations before proceeding further, such as basic details, property address details, owner details, floor details, additional details. View the tax calculation paradigm, which provides a detailed breakdown of floor-wise tax bifurcation, financial-wise tax bifurcation, grand total tax bifurcation. Upon completion of the review process, click the Send to Approval option to forward the form to the relevant authorities for approval. Your application has been successfully updated. A confirmation page will be displayed, providing access to the following options: View details, View dashboard, Upload documents. Click on Upload document to proceed with uploading your documents. To upload an owner document, navigate to the View option under Owner document. To upload a photograph, select Document type, then choose the image using the Choose File option. After selecting the image, click on Upload button. To upload a ID proof, select Document type, then choose the image using the Choose File option. After selecting the image, click on Upload button. After uploading the owner's document, the user needs to upload the property document. To upload application form, select Document type, then choose the image using the Choose File option. After selecting the image, click on Upload button. Similarly, the user will upload the remaining documents one by one. After all documents are uploaded, click on the Send to Next Level option. A confirmation message will be displayed indicating that the application has been forwarded successfully. View application details in the outbox by selecting the application and clicking View option. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos.